everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Well, we are in the Philippines today doing our final cook, and we are making lumpia. So, I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. I have already cooked my pork, scrambled it, and cooled it off. And it's sitting here because you can't really handle hot pork. So I went ahead and scrambled it ahead of time, and it's all cooled off and ready to roll. My pan is almost hot. This is the pan I cooked my pork in. And I'm going to put my onions and my garlic. I'm going to give them a light saute. Just until they start to get a little fragrant. And the onions are going to start to get a little bit more translucent. We're going to go ahead and add our slaw, chopped up, all in here. And we have our salt, pepper, and our more garlic is going to go in here. We have a little bit of soy sauce, not a lot, about a teaspoon. We're going to stir this up. Our onions and garlic are ready. So we're going to put all this in here. Stir that up. And our filling is all ready. All right, let me get set up with our lumpia wrappers, and we're going to do some wrapping. Okay, we have our lumpia. And we are going to put 2 tablespoons filling for the top half. We're going to wet the corners like that. We're going to fold in the sides. And we're going to wrap them like so. Then we're going to put that in here and cover it up. Try again. The idea here is to use these flaps to hold in your filling. So if you want to wrap them flaps in first, you can do that, or you can do them like that. It's kind of however you're comfortable doing them. So we can do one like this, just kind of tuck it in like that. See, it kind of holds it in. So however you feel most comfortable getting these wrapped. I have 30 here to roll. I'll see you when I hit 30. All right, we are ready to roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry up one pan. The rest I'm going to freeze. And this is super cool. All you do is you take cookie sheet, Lay a piece of parchment paper, lay your rolls that you're going to freeze on here, and just stick this in your freezer. When they're frozen solid, they just come right off. You put them in a Ziploc bag, and when you're ready to cook them, you have fresh lumpias already. You don't thaw them, you cook them frozen. And you just cook them the same way we're doing in hot oil. You just drop them right in, and it's really convenient. Mine are sitting here, so seam down. And then we'll let them cook, and we'll just kind of rotate them. Okay, so while those are cooking, we're going to lay these out to freeze for another day. Just like that. And I'll pop these into my freezer, and one night when I don't feel like cooking, I'll be like, oh wow, I've got them in the freezer. So while these are cooking, I'm gonna go pop these in the freezer, and I'll be right back. All right, our lumpias are ready. So, let me get my plate and my knife and my dips, and I'll be back in about 2 minutes, and we're gonna get to see these, and we're gonna get to try them. Our lumpia is all plated. It smells delicious. I have some cut and ready. I have some dips here. So we're gonna try one. I'm gonna try this one. Hot and crunchy. These are really good. Okay, so that was fun. And they're super, super good. If you want them to be a little spicier, you can always add in, you know, hot spicy if you like that. Add in a couple jalapeno peppers, chop them up, throw them in with your pork. Anyway, I really enjoyed having you join me. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have these beautiful sunflowers right next to me. These are from my garden. My husband has tilled and toiled out in our lower field, and I have probably close to 1,000 sunflowers full bloom. So you can't see it, but there are sunflowers in my home. And I wanted them for my set today just because they're so beautiful. And he did such a great job growing them. I helped a little. So I hope you had fun, and thank you for subscribing. We're almost there at 300 subscribers. I just need a few more, and that's our next plateau. So then we're gonna shoot for the moon. The touring is over for a while, and we will be hitting it with holidays, surprises, and fun cooking and desserts, and a little bit more on that kind of a realm. So anyway, thanks for joining me here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking.